passionate mind I carried with me since the 6th grade, when I was messily scribbling down melodies on lines of notebook paper. In my head, I felt like Mozart, quill pen in hand, writing the most beautiful, intricate orchestrations that paint pictures of perfect landscapes in the listener's mind. In reality, it was a simple melody over some pretty basic chords, written in the form of chicken scratch. But still, it was mine. It was the first time I had expressed myself through music, recorded my emotions, and preserved them through song. I recently went back through all of my compositions, digging through old devices and apps to find the very first songs I made. As I went through them, I noticed patterns, melodies and motifs that appeared across compositions, like little reminders I had composed them. Over time, though, they began to change and transform, taking small passing chord progressions in my old songs and turning them into beautiful, sweeping melodies in my recent work. I was watching my music grow, and watching myself grow with it. Through that, I realized the music I make today is a careful production of everything I've experienced, a collection of memories, emotions, feelings I've gathered over the years. As I look around at all of you, I see that same kind of growth. On the surface, you've accomplished so much more than you yourself could have ever imagined, all while staying true to the inner themes and melodies at your core. One of the first memorable moments for me at Lakeridge was during grade night in 8th grade, when we were all around that bonfire behind the middle school, sharing secrets we had never told other people before. For some, it was a comfortable release and moment of vulnerability with the people that they knew. For me, it was stressful. Being extremely shy and new to the school, I wasn't sure I belonged here yet. I found myself crying in a makeshift bed later that night, made out of 2 couches that used to be in Nick's partner's room, feeling alone and isolated. That is until I heard the footsteps of my friends barging into the room with smiles plastered on their faces. They saw that little bed I was in and immediately jumped in. Instantly, I felt like part of the group, sharing snacks and cracking jokes. They accepted me so naturally, something I find incredibly valuable about this group. Acceptance and inclusivity are second nature to us, and as the years went on, we kept adding to this beautiful web of interconnectedness and camaraderie. Senior Challenge was another landmark for our grades connection, and after rafting down rapids and playing on the water park's inflatables, we once again found ourselves around a bonfire. I felt that same feeling of shared vulnerability that I did 4 years prior. A familiar melody, now more comfortable and developed. A motif of acceptance and love that we've carried with us throughout our time at Lakeridge. Over this bonfire, we shared stories of overcoming fears of traveling, fears of getting into the water, and fears of feeling excluded, all of which were comforted by the sense of community we came out of the trip with. And right there, I heard the harmonies swell as we came together and connected. No composition is original. Every piece of art is inspired by the art that came before it, and we wouldn't be who we are if it weren't for the people around us. My sister played the viola well before I ever did, and if it weren't for her, I wouldn't be the musician I am today, expressing myself as I do today. Teachers, you are our conductors. You lead us on the way to provide insight on how to be our best selves. And like the most accomplished musicians, you don't just stick to what's written on paper. You grow with us, create music with us, and take us along that journey. Parents, you've carved out the instruments that we all play, carefully crafting the vessel through which we express ourselves, giving us both the identity and autonomy to grow. Thank you for allowing us to be ourselves. Together, we are the culmination of years of growth, years of giving and taking, sharing experiences and love with one another. Over time, we've gathered skills and lessons that enrich each of our songs. We persevered through Cunningham tests despite our aching hands, endured the blaring lights of the senior corner, and kept focus in class even when disrupted by the comically reliable honk of Jeremy Ma blowing his nose. We turned awkward community building exercises and turned them into exciting yearly traditions. Each memory is another chord we take with us, or a melody added to our song that grows and develops as we do. Every single one of you is a unique instrument, each representing your own specific experience through life, each just as special as the next. You've carefully crafted your individual parts that fit together to this grand orchestration of our time at Lake Ridge. And remember, this isn't a goodbye or a grand finale to this piece, but rather the end of the first movement to an extraordinary symphony that will take you through your life. So thank you. Thank you for the love, the care, the experiences, the challenges, the friendships both good and bad, the laughs, the tears, everything. Together, we have made something incredible, and I'm so grateful to have been a part of it. Together, we are music.